How to change language on Roblox. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your language on Roblox. So first thing, just head over to any browser and log into your Roblox account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now next thing what you can do is just head over to this right hand side, that is top right corner, and simply select this gear icon, that is settings. Under settings, just select settings button over here once again, and under this account info option you just have to simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is language. So you can just tap on this language and choose any one of those language which you want to, like your Roblox application or Roblox account to be converted into. So let's say I want it to convert it into Hindi like this, and so make sure that you only select the supported language because some of the languages are not fully supported yet, so you need to make sure of that. And once you make sure of that, you can easily convert it back to the same language which you obviously wanted. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.